The equation we have is f of x is equivalent to 3 to the x minus 1 minus 2. The first step is just plugging in the x values, and you do this for all the points. I really only did it for one because I'd have to get at least like 5 points, and to work out every single one of those would probably be a 20-minute video in detail. So what we did, we plug in the x value into where it should be, and then you need to simplify this. So you should subtract 1 from 0, which would get you -1 because you can't subtract really anything from 0, and then minus 2, and then you need to rewrite it using the negative exponent rule, so that f of 0 equals 1 over 3 minus 2. So next you need to rewrite -2 over 1 as a fraction with a common denominator, so you'll multiply by 3 over 3. So f of 0 equals 1/3 plus -2 over 1 times 3 over 3. So we're just taking the equation that we had before after simplifying it and plugging it in. Next, we need to give the problem a common denominator of 3 by multiplying them by 1. So we plugged in 3 over here. So it would be f of 0 equals 1 over 3 plus -2 times 3 over 3. So next we need to combine the like numerators over the denominators, so basically just adding them together because those will cancel out to make just 1. So then we need to simplify the problem we had before, and that was f of 0 equals 1 minus 2 times 3. So that got us to -5 over 3. So next we needed to move the negative sign in front of the fraction, which is f of 0 equals -5 over 3. So then the y value we have at x equals 0 equals -5 over 3. So what you need to do is just repeat the steps we did before, just plugging them each individually. So that would be for -1, -2, 0. We already did 0, and so on. So y value at x equals -1 is y equals -17 over 9. Y value at x equals -2 equals y equals -53 over 27. Y value at x equals 1 is y equals -1. Y value at x equals 2 is equivalent to y equals 1. So then we will, since these are fractions, you want to convert these into decimal points. So they are actual numbers and you can graph them, because you can't really graph a fraction just by looking at it onto a graph. So the domain we got is -infinity to positive infinity, and the range we have is -2 to positive infinity.